Dear student friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed syllabus of analytical chemistry, that is paper number 4 CS334. Today we will discuss about the introductory part of the analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with separation, identification and determination of components present in the sample, and it basically gives the chemical analysis. Chemical analysis means to study the chemical composition and structure of substances. This chemical analysis is carried out in analytical chemistry on the basis of qualitative and quantitative analysis. Then what is meant by qualitative analysis? Question arises. Qualitative analysis means what is present in sample or material, and that is again broadly divided into two groups: inorganic qualitative analysis and organic qualitative analysis. Inorganic qualitative analysis is nothing but the separation and identification of radicals. As we know that inorganic compounds are nothing but the salts, and that salts consist of basic and acidic radicals, and that acidic and basic radicals are separated under the heading of inorganic qualitative analysis. And we have performed different practicals in the previous classes. And second one is organic qualitative analysis. Here separation and identification of organic compounds is carried out on the basis of different tests. While in the quantitative analysis, this quantitative analysis is related with the how much amount of particular component present in the sample or material, and it is again broadly classified into two groups. The first one is traditional methods of analysis, that is also called as classical methods of analysis, and the second one is instrumental methods of analysis. Under the title of traditional methods of analysis, we do volumetric analysis, gravimetric analysis. In volumetric analysis, different types of titrations are carried out. As we all are aware about acid-base titrations, redox titrations, complexometric titrations, precipitation titrations, and we find out the concentration of particular component present in the sample, and we will get the quantity. So it is a quantitative type of analysis. In a gravimetric analysis, we can easily convert any radical, that is ion, it may be cation or it may be anion, basic or acidic radical, that can be easily converted into the precipitate, and that precipitate is used for the study, and we can find out the particular concentration of the ions present in the solution, that is called as the gravimetric analysis. And the second one is instrumental methods of analysis. Here instruments are used. As we know that instrumental methods have good accuracy and good precision. For that purpose, different instruments are used for analysis. They directly give the concentration, and the concentration can directly converted into the quantity. For that purpose, calorimeter, spectrophotometer, nephelometer, polarography, atomic absorption spectroscopy, flame emission spectroscopy, these are included in our syllabus. But other instruments are also used for quantitative analysis. For example, X-ray diffraction methods are there. Then